What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to Pete 717 episode. We're gonna call it vlog, and today vlog is going to be about building up one of my 2010 WRX's hatchback and that I purchased a couple months ago with the knocked engine. Engine had a knock in it. Repair the engine, rebuild the engine, and sell it. It's kind of money maker. So we are driving to the shop. What happened in the last couple of weeks is we took the engine out, took the engine apart, disassembled it down to the short block, sent it out to machine shop. They measured all the tolerances and they said the engine's in a good shape. There was a very little scuffing on the cylinder walls, just barely any, so they polished everything off and everything's still within the spec. We even use factory spec rings on it. We didn't have to step up or anything, so everything looks good. They also redid the heads, did all kinds of stuff to them. So I paid about $1,000 to the machine shop to get all that done. On top of it, I went to the dealer and I bought new timing belt kit. I bought water pump, oil pump, new oil pan. Stick around, don't change the channel. If you like what you see, comment, put a like button, press the like button. If you don't like what you see, also comment, tell me what you don't like. Dislike the video, please, so at least I see what's going on and who's watching, who's not. If you're in the WRXs, if you're in the Subarus, post a comment below. Let me know that you're interested in this kind of stuff so I can make more detailed videos. I can go as detailed as you guys want. But anyway, stick around, enjoy the show. Thank you. So there you go. Made it here, the shop. The block is getting assembled. This is the one for the white Subi we're talking about. Good times. This is the one from my Subi in the garage. Yeah.
This thing's a footrest.
Footrest now.
Yeah.
Well, can make something out of it. I mean,
I know,
it's
That's
almost,
why I haven't really done anything with it. It's just
yeah. This is the motor of one of the guys here. He pushed 31 psi and cracked right there. Cracked the wall right where that notch is, you know, where the bolt notched.
started cracking right there as well.
Yeah. Where?
On this cylinder as well. This little one started initiating right there.
Oh yeah. Yep. But this guy, epic. Wow. Yeah, so this is Legacy, right?
It's the IAG stage 2.
IAG engine. Oh boy. Nice, stage 2. Well,
Yeah, the other motor, when I was doing the other one, it was like no compression on one cylinder. That's no matter, you couldn't even put air through that that gap. 13.
One big turbo. Ouch. So this is it. The loan block is assembled pretty much. We got covers on. Everything is good to go. Tomorrow we're putting a timing belt, right?
Yeah, covers, all the tubes for the coolant, and then the dipstick with pan.
Yep, all the
Just like,
finalizing it,
yeah.
and then it's gonna be ready to go into
And
the.
then all accessories just gets dumped on it.
Yep.
But we can choose to do the accessories
On the car.
in the car or out of the car.
I think it's easier out of the car, just so if something doesn't work
Yeah.
or breaks and.
Yeah, we're definitely putting the turbo on and everything.
It's day number X. We're not gonna go in details, but today is timing. I bought new tensioner for timing belt.
Yeah.
So new tensioner, $180 for that little Benny thing. Timing belt is going in.